Welcome to our creative journey. Today, we are embarking on an insightful exploration of a question that's on the minds of many professionals across various industries. Ever wondered if AI will replace you at your workplace? As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, artificial intelligence, AI, has become a transformative force, reshaping the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. From chatbots handling customer service inquiries to complex algorithms analyzing vast amounts of data, AI has demonstrated its potential to perform tasks with incredible efficiency and accuracy. The idea of AI replacing human jobs isn't new. It's a topic that has been debated since the dawn of the digital age. However, with the rapid development of AI technologies, this conversation has gained renewed urgency. It's essential to understand that while AI can automate routine, repetitive tasks and analyze data at speeds that far surpass human capabilities, it is not necessarily poised to replace humans entirely. Instead, AI is more likely to augment the way we work, enabling us to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, areas where humans still have a distinct advantage over machines. Before we delve deeper, it's crucial to define what we mean by AI replacing jobs. When we talk about AI in the workplace, we are referring to systems that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. This has led to automation in areas such as manufacturing, logistics, and even sectors like finance and healthcare, where AI can assist in diagnosing illnesses or detecting fraud. While it's true that some jobs, particularly those involving routine, manual tasks, are at risk of being automated, AI also creates new opportunities. For instance, it can free up time for employees to focus on more strategic initiatives, improve decision-making through better data analysis, and even drive innovation by providing insights that were previously inaccessible. To prepare for the rise of AI, it's vital for professionals to adapt by upskilling and embracing lifelong learning. Developing skills in areas such as data literacy, machine learning, and digital communication can help workers stay relevant in an evolving job market. Additionally, soft skills like empathy, adaptability, and leadership will become increasingly valuable, as these are traits that AI, at least for now, cannot replicate. It's also worth noting that the integration of AI in the workplace can lead to improved job satisfaction by reducing the burden of mundane tasks and allowing employees to engage in more meaningful work. For example, in creative industries, AI can handle the repetitive aspects of content production, allowing writers, designers, and marketers to focus on brainstorming and strategy. In customer service, AI can manage initial queries, freeing up human agents to tackle more complex issues that require a personal touch. Furthermore, AI can enhance workplace safety by taking over dangerous tasks, such as those in construction or mining, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring that employees can work in safer environments. However, as with any technological advancement, the rise of AI comes with its own set of challenges. There are concerns about job displacement, privacy, and the ethical implications of AI decision-making. It's crucial for companies and governments to address these issues proactively by developing ethical guidelines, investing in retraining programs, and fostering a culture of transparency and inclusivity. Ultimately, while the question of whether AI will replace you at your workplace is a valid one, It's more productive to think about how AI can complement your skills and enhance your work experience. By staying informed, being open to change, and continuously developing new skills, you can position yourself to thrive in a world where AI is becoming an integral part of the workforce. Remember, AI is a tool, a powerful one, but it's up to us to decide how we use it to create a future that benefits everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the impact of AI in the workplace.